Hello student, today we will discuss notice writing. In our earlier video, we have discussed format and the sample worksheet of notice. Today again we are recalling and we are starting from format and then we come to the solution. So let us start the format. What is the format of notice writing and why it is written? It is a piece of information that is given by any institution or school or higher authority to the students, to the colleagues, to the institutional members. So it is how it is written. So let us see the format of it. Format of notice writing is, it is always written in a box. So don't write in a single piece of paper, otherwise your marks will be deducted. So let us start format. For first line, we write a name of issuing agency or authority. It means who is issuing the notice. So institution name, school name, authority name is written. After that, we write date. Date of issue or release of notice. It is necessary to write left hand side of date of issue or release of notice. After that, we write title, subject of event, whether it is for the general information or for the information regarding any event. So we write here title, subject of event. After that, we write body or content of the notice. In body, we write date, time, duration, place, content. All things comes in body. After that, authorized signature, name and designation is written. You will write your name, designation with signature. So all these things conclude a full notice. It completes full with full format. So next exercise is, you are president of RWA Gita Colony. Write a notice and request all families of your localities to donate chapatis daily in the morning for the people lying on the roadside. Some people are very needy, they are not having even chapatis to eat. So you are president of RWA Gita Colony. So you have to draft a notice, write a notice to your families in your localities, and they will donate chapati. So how will you write it? Let us see. First we will draw the outline. It is very necessary to draw the outline of notice. Then you will write the resident, capital letter. Residents Welfare Association. Association Gita Colony. Gita Colony. So on the left hand side, first we will give the heading of this. After that we will give the, because institution is there, in place of institution, Welfare Association is there, name of the colony is Gita Colony, date, for example today is 20th January. Title, help the needy. Help the needy. body, you will write body from the left side, so you will keep space, some space. RWA, raw, is a welfare society, has decided, raw has decided to help the underprivileged people lying on the road outside all families are requested to donate at least 2 chapatis daily in the morning. The morning guard will come at 9 a.m. to collect the donation. From those who consent to help, ready to help it, willingly to help. It means willingly to help. For further information, contact the other sign. So, for further information, contact the undersigned. I am again recalling this. Resident Welfare Association, Geeta Colony, 20th January 2021, help the needy. RWA Raw has decided to help the underprivileged people lying on the road outside. All families are requested to donate at least 2 chapatis daily in the morning. The morning guard will come at 9 a.m. to collect the donation from those who consent to help. For further information, contact the undersigned. After that, you will write your designation. What is your designation? You are president of RWA Society, Welfare Society. So you will write here President RWA Geeta Colony, RWA Geeta Colony. So this is the correct way to write notice. Second, now this is the second assignment or worksheet on notice writing is, you are head girl of St. Mary School, Dehradun. You are Megha Gupta, head girl of St. Mary School, Dehradun. Draft a notice and informing the student of classes 6 to 12. You have to inform the classes 6 to 12 about a workshop on table manner and etiquettes that is going to be held in your school. Topic is table manners and etiquettes to be held in the school premises. Give all necessary details. So you have to draft. Just first you will keep it in your mind what thing according to format we will go. First we will draw the lines. After that we will write the name of institution, school, St. Mary School, Dehradun, all capital letters, St. Mary School, Dehradun. After that notice, capital letter, date 20th Jan 2021 is a British, according to British writing. Then your topic is there, title is there, workshop on table manners. So this is two. Body is there, so it is necessary to write body accordingly. No spelling mistakes should be there. Avoid prepositions in the body writing. This is to inform all the students of classes 6 to 12 about a workshop on table manners and etiquettes that will be held in the school auditorium on 20th Jan 2021, Monday at 10 a.m. It is mandatory for the students to attend the workshop. Again I am recalling, this is to inform all the students. So this is the way to write notice, and the second part is all the students from classes 6 to 12 are hereby announced or informed. This is to inform all the students, and that is up to you which method you want to adopt, easiest method you want to adopt. This is to inform all the students of classes 6 to 12 about a workshop on table manners and etiquettes that will be held in the school auditorium on, date is compulsory, which date your school is going to hold workshop, 21st January 2021, Monday at 10 a.m. It is mandatory for the students to attend the workshop. For any type of query, please contact the undersigned. So signature is there and designation is also there. Megha Gupta signature of the head girl and designation head girl. After that you will close it. I hope it will help you in learning notice writing. Thank you.